So, good morning. Welcome back again to our channel. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to relocate a Xiaomi stand from the back to the front. Because the advantage of having the side stand in front is that you are gaining more stability of your scooter, especially if you add the front shocks and 10-inch tires. So from here, this is on the rear side, we are going to relocate this side stand to the front, this one. So I will teach you on how to do it. So things that you will need: hammer, Allen, drill bit, drill. So this is our Xiaomi scooter. So let's start. So let's start by getting a Allen key. So we have to unscrew the two bolts that's attaching to the side stand. So in here, I'm removing the two bolts already. So after removing, you have to get a Sharpie because we will mark the place that we will going to drill later. So just mark it. So after marking, you have to get a puncher. Use your hammer to mark the place for the drill so that the location of the hole will be exact. So after that, get your drill. Start by drilling slow. So next one, I'm always starting the drill into a slow mode. Then after that, I will drill it fast. So after this, we have to check the placement of the stand if it's correct before drilling a bigger hole. So after that, I get my bigger drill bit. So I'm starting to drill a bigger hole. So next one. Okay, that's now done. Then let's see if the bolt will go into. So not yet. So I think we have to get another bigger drill. So I get a bigger drill here, the next size. Okay, and then the other one. Okay, so after that, let's see if it will fit. Okay, then that's it. Then let's assemble. So in here, I'm sliding the small metal piece that have the thread. So see, I'm moving it so that it will align the hole. So see, it's a perfect fit, perfect alignment. Then let's start bolting it. In here, I put a spacer because I will put the monorim shocks and 10-inch tires. So I need a bigger spacer. side stand has been relocated to the front. So, see? Very easy. From back to front. You just need proper tools. So this will now add more stability to your scooter. So if you found this content interesting and helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you very much. Until next time.